You can download the art seen in the video for free, link in the description. For an auto tile system in Godot, first add a TileMapLayer node to the scene. Then go to Scene, Scene Save As, and save it. Create a new tile set, select it. I will set the size to 8 by 8 pixels, as the tiles in my game are 8 by 8 pixels. Go to Physics Layers and add Element. This will be needed to add collision to the tile set. Then go to Terrain Sets, add an element, drop down Terrains and add a terrain. This terrain is what will be used to store data that tells Godot what tiles go next to each other within the auto tile system. Go to the Tile Set tab at the bottom, press the plus and press Atlas. Select the art that you can download for free, link in the description, and press No. From here, use left click to select all the tiles that you want to add. And if you accidentally add a tile that you don't want, right click it and press Delete. Once all the tiles you want are selected, go to Paint, select a property editor, and select Physics Layer. On the left is an example of what will be applied to each tile that we select. From here, we can use the green button to add points, the blue button to select, the red button to remove, the 3 dots for a variety of actions, and we can enable grid snap to make moving and adding points to the collision easier. To zoom into the collision view, simply hold Ctrl or Command plus scroll wheel. Once it looks good on the left, simply use left click to select all the sprites that you want to add collision to. To remove collision from a tile, you'll need to remove all the points on the left using the red button, then select that tile again. For the auto tile logic, select the drop down and go to Terrains, select the terrain set and select the terrain. Then use left click to select all the tiles that you want to add. If you accidentally select a tile that you don't want to add, then you can use Ctrl or Command plus Z to undo. Once all the tiles have been selected, we will then paint the terrain data over the tiles. Make sure to avoid the edges and only paint the parts that are black. To remove terrain data, simply right click. Once you have completed this, go to the TileMap tab at the bottom of the screen, then go to Terrains, select the terrain. From here, we can use Connect mode with the Paint tool to paint our auto tile. Because I'm using pixel art to remove this blur, scroll down, go to Texture and change the filter to nearest. You can also remove tiles by pressing right click. Now you have a simple auto tile system with collision that you can use in your game, and don't forget that you can check out the project files, link in the description.